Have you ever wondered how ordinary potatoes are transformed into the crispy golden chips we enjoy every day? Behind every packet of potato chips is a fascinating industrial process involving powerful machines, precise temperatures, carefully controlled cooking, and strict quality checks. Today, we're going inside a modern potato chip factory to discover exactly how fresh potatoes are transformed into crispy, seasoned chips. Let's begin. The process starts with thousands of fresh potatoes arriving at the factory. Large trucks deliver the potatoes to the production facility where they are unloaded into huge receiving systems. Before production begins, the potatoes are carefully inspected. Workers and automated systems check their size, condition, and overall quality. Potatoes that meet the required standards continue into the production line. The first major step is cleaning. The potatoes enter a large industrial washing system where powerful streams of water remove dirt, soil, and other unwanted material from their surfaces. After washing, the potatoes move through an automated sorting system. Cameras and sensors inspect each potato and identify damaged or unsuitable pieces. Good potatoes continue forward while rejected potatoes are automatically removed. Next comes peeling. The cleaned potatoes enter specialized industrial peeling machines. These machines rapidly remove the outer skin while preparing the potatoes for the next stage. After peeling, the potatoes are inspected once again. Any remaining imperfections are removed before the potatoes move toward the slicing machines. Now comes one of the fastest stages in the entire process. The potatoes enter a precision slicing machine. In just moments, whole potatoes are transformed into hundreds of thin, uniform slices. The slices move rapidly along the conveyor belt, ready for the next stage. But before they can be fried, the slices need to be rinsed. They pass through water washing systems that remove excess surface starch. This helps prepare the slices for frying and contributes to the desired texture of the finished chips. After washing, the slices enter a drying system. Powerful streams of air remove excess water from their surfaces. Now the potato slices are ready for the most important transformation: frying. The slices enter a continuous industrial fryer filled with hot cooking oil. As they move through the fryer, their color gradually changes. The pale potato slices become golden and crispy. Bubbles form around the slices as moisture leaves the potatoes during cooking. This is where the familiar crunch of potato chips begins to develop. Once frying is complete, the chips move on to another conveyor. Excess oil is carefully removed, and the hot chips are cooled to prepare them for seasoning. Now comes the stage that gives each variety its unique taste: seasoning. The crispy chips enter a large, rotating seasoning drum. Salt and specially prepared flavoring are added while the drum gently